Hello, my name is Jerome and welcome to my Cabalite station. Today I just wanted to make a quick video to show you a modification that I made to my Cabalite 963 crawler front end loader. And the modification is I created a bulldozer shovel to put on the front of it right here as opposed to the regular bucket that was on there. And the way I did that, I just drew it up in a 3D print and printed it out. Took about 14 hours for it to print. But the reason I did that, I wanted a bulldozer, and they don't make bulldozers in the size that I want. So bulldozers are always bigger than the size of this, and they weigh a lot more. This weighs about 19 pounds. The bulldozers started at 65 to 110 pounds, and I don't want to carry that around. I just need something to smooth the dirt out after I move the dirt, dig things out with my excavator. So this is one of the big first modifications, actually being able to use it as a bulldozer. And the next thing that I'm going to print out is for the back of here where the rake went. I took the teeth out of the rake, or the ripper. I keep calling it a rake. I took the ripper teeth out. I'm going to make a platform here that just comes down flat, so when I go forward it flattens the dirt. This doesn't go down far enough. So that's all I have for today. Stay posted and you'll see more videos. If you like what you saw, click like, and I will talk to you later.